sir.
Are these the batteries of that?
Yeah. All right. We're gonna start the build. You ready? All right. Take the batteries out of that plastic and put them in the box.
Put the batteries in the box or what?
Take them out of that. Yeah, undo that. Take the batteries and stuff out and sit them on the cement and put the trash in the box.
The cement?
Yep.
Actually, that's made not cement. It's made out of sand and water and cement.
That's fine. Just put it on in the box. Sit like this. This. In here. Gotta get everything organized before we get build. To look, line everything up like this, so you know everything that you get in your package. All right, line underneath.
Hey, Dad.
Yes, sir.
I know what that is of the motorcycle. This is when I'm singing. And this turns the light on and stuff.
Honda build.
This.
Don't stick any of that stuff up, you know. Take your tools. Take your tools and your drill over there. Over there next to everything else. Give me 1 second. Let me get directions. Yeah, don't scrape this stuff up. We back. We back. We had a strong win. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to edit that out. We're gonna have to edit that piece out. All right, come back. Come back to the build. What?
Watch this one. I lack the money. I lack the money.
You say you lack the money or you like it?
This time goes like this. It's about money.
All right.
I lack money.
Back up.
I get money.
Get money.
I like money. I get money. I get money. I like money. Did you write that one? They go pretty different. Do you know how to sing that one? So you go, I like money. And then this one.
Better take a food break. You ready to get back out there on the bike? As soon as we're done, we back out, all right? But you have to eat everything. Mommy's fried rice and the grapes.
And Dad,
What?
I don't really like the shrimp and it has that brown stuff on it.
It's good for you, man. Just eat it. So we go back out there and finish the bike.
But what's the brown stuff on it?
Seasoning. Right, let's get the light.
No, I'll turn it on.
Right, come on. All right,
Welcome back. I have blue heart.
I'm right back. Take a dinner break. I'm back on the deal, baby. We got one last piece. We're done. It's that one. Alright?
We're gonna drive. We're gonna drive.
You're gonna ride it. Alright? What's the charger? Is all your tools put up? Tools put up.
Hey, get away from me.
Scared that? Do some karate on it. That's alright. Yep. Let's see. Okay, go and hop on it. people who just completed our bill.
We completed our